oil. Okay, palm oil. Palm oil. With this. Oh, it's smelling already. Adding onions. Secret. Salsa. Just let it start cooking. Always open it a little bit for air so that in between we added the egusi in the water, made it into a paste, added into the already cooking stew on the, as you can see, and then added all the proteins, fish, meat, everything we needed to add. I actually want to tell you guys that I have detailed step-by-step egusi soup recipe already on my channel. Please check it out. Thank you. We're adding ugu into this egusi soup. I actually defrosted it because it was frozen and drained out the water before adding it into the egusi soup. It was very delicious. So now I'm going to add a little bit of crayfish to crown it. A little bit. As a crown. Crown on. I like it.
Yum. At this point, please remember to subscribe, share, like, or make any type of comment regarding this recipe. And thank you so much. Feeling that choose be spoiled. Thank you.